Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video lecture, we shall understand the skeleton. Now the human skeleton is one of the most important parts of the body. Without it, otherwise, how would the skin attach itself, right? So let's get into this video of how the skeleton helps us to do certain activities. Now, the skeleton is defined as the framework of the body. This means that it protects the body or keeps the body firm. It helps the body not to fall in certain situations such as the pull of gravity and everything. So, the human skeleton has got three main functions. It has got more functions than this, but these are the three most important functions of a human skeleton. Number one, protection. The human skeleton provides protection to the body. For example, the rib cage, it protects the heart, the lungs, and every other organ that is found in the chest region. The skull, which is found in the part of the brain, protects the brain from damage. And it is very hard. And it is attached also to the jawbone. It means it extends also to the mouth. Then, the human skeleton also has got the vertebral column, which is the backbone. The backbone is the one that protects the spinal cord. Otherwise, without the spinal cord, one wouldn't be able to walk. So the first importance of the skeleton is protection. The second importance of the skeleton is support. Our skeleton provides us with support so that we don't fall even as the pull of gravity is pulling us. So it also protects, it also provides a framework of the body in which you can resist friction, you can resist fall whenever you have the pull of gravity. The third importance of the skeleton is that it offers us with movement or locomotion instead. Without the skeleton, one wouldn't turn, one wouldn't even move, because for you to turn, you need joints which the bones have. So the skeleton is a very vital part of the body, and that is why it's very important for us to understand the skeletal system. Now, our skeleton is divided into two broad parts. That is the axial and the appendicular skeleton. Let's run into details of what the axial skeleton consists of. So our axial skeleton consists of the anterior of the body, that is the upper part of the body. That includes the skull, the spinal cord, which is the backbone, and the rib cage. It may also consist of the pelvic girdle found just in the waist. Then, the appendicular skeleton extends posterior of our body. That includes our limbs, our forelimbs, our arms, and our hind limbs, which are our legs. Now, let's get into details of the limbs. The forelimbs. Our forelimbs consist of bones. For example, the bone that is just found here is known as the humerus. And the humerus forms a ball and socket joint at the shoulder and also forms an elbow joint at this part. The humerus attaches to the scapula, which is the bone that is found here, and also attaches to the radius and ulna here on the arm that extends to the wrist. Coming to the hind limbs, which are the legs, consist of the femur. The femur is the largest bone, and it also extends to form the pelvic girdle at the waist, which causes us to move in different directions. And then, this bone as well, the femur, is attached to two bones that form the knee joint, which is a hinge joint. It forms the hinge joint with the tibia and fibula found just posterior to our body, which helps us form our feet. That was a brief introduction to the skeletal system. Subscribe for more, and see you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and give us a review of how this video was. See you in the next video.